Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll show you how to cancel orders on AliExpress. Open AliExpress application on your device and then at the bottom go to your account, and at the top you see my orders section and tap view all button right here. And here you will see the list of all your orders, and you should find the order that you want to cancel and tap on it to open its details. There you should find the button cancel order, and you will be requested to select the reason why you want to do cancellation. So select one reason that fits you the best, and of course submit your cancellation request. And now all you have to do is just wait until your money will be returned to you, and usually it is returned in 3 to 20 business days depending on your payment method. So that's basically it. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.